Well, we're going to talk about physics and its application, but we're going to define first what is physics. Physics is defined as a natural science that involves the study of matter and its motion through space and time, along with related concepts such as energy and force. More broadly, it is the general analysis of nature conducted in order to understand how the universe behaves. Now, through history, uh, physics have divided into principal branches. There are classical physics and modern physics. Classical physics became a separate science when early European scientists during the scientific revolution used these experimental and quantitative methods to discover what are now considered to be the laws of physics. Kepler, Galileo, and more specifically Newton discovered and unified the laws of motion. Uh, these laws uh, are really important in physics. Physics is based on those laws. Then, through late 19th century and early 20th century, the discovery of new laws in thermodynamics, chemistry, electromagnetics resulted from great research efforts during the Industrial Revolution, as energy needs to be increased by that time. Uh, then modern physics started with the works of Max Planck in quantum theory and Einstein's well-known relativity, and continued in quantum mechanics pioneered by Heisenberg, Schrödinger, and Paul Dirac till nowadays. Uh, to understand what is really physics, it is really important to understand uh, mathematics as an important tool in physics. Physics theories use mathematics to obtain order and provide precise formulas, precise or estimated solution, quantitative results, or predictions. For example, experiment results are numerical measurements technologies based on mathematics like computation have made computational physics an active area of research. So it is important to understand uh, mathematics as a tool of physics to understand what is really physics.
So about this virtuality. For a third species, this is a science which is able to describe everything that happens around us and has endless applications that could list some of them. For example, if you think are a way that person has in relation to another, maybe this point is what is boring to change, but science that helps you to make each measure and calculation system. Possibility the only solution to lower weight is getting on a plane, right? And that is physics has been found that father were harmed from the land surface or way lower. Of course, we have to imagine will be the same, but it doesn't start with like that. Right. And what happened is continuing with the example of the math. If two people, the person jumps on this plane, which will be called first. Right. The physical representative of the history, we know that both of fall is the same thing, right? Why? Because the gravity is the same for two monsters. This is too broad and shocking, and it is everything we see. Whatever we think may be related in some way to the physical. Perhaps some may wonder who completely outside the physical sciences could be related. Love, for example. But we must remember that some chairs where the seat council on drive heat cones and directly related to physical, the wheels, right? The work done the move, through support, into processes, performance, and manufacturing of sheet of paper, which transforming drafter documents, or pages of the books, or the studies, the hypotheses, right? Physics around the world, from the small particulates that exist, that is the atom, is related to physical, has electrical behavior, electrical configuration, and almost many other branches of physics, until longer particles that considering such a galaxy, that strong is possible, distance, differently large. They're calculated in physics. Have to travel, time, mass, movement, trajectories, orbit, abundant physical quantities. Physics is very precise. To conclude, in this video, we obtain examples of physics. In fact, you can see that thanks to it. Transfer the power to circuits of a computer or electronic device from which you are. This is it. And if you think about your life, the frequency therefore are certain applications that what give a physical as such. It is likely that we ever understand the physics is entirely, but humanity could not exist without it.